Hello everyone, welcome back to my YelpCamp in React tutorial. It's a little bit late, I'm sorry about that. I basically caught the flu and I couldn't focus on anything. I'm still recovering, so please forgive me my voice in this tutorial. Today we are going to add basic styles and Bootstrap. Bootstrap just released a new version alpha of 5.3. We are not going to use this version, we are going to install 5.2.2. So back in our VS Code, stop the application, we're installing Bootstrap, add 5.2.2. Okay, and now we are going to install Popper.js, so it's like a JavaScript script necessary for some Bootstrap features. Okay, started backup. Let's go to /gyms. Okay, it looks like it didn't take an effect yet because we didn't import it. So probably in the index.js. Okay, that will be CSS, and now we need JavaScript as well. Okay, let's save it and see if it takes an effect. Okay, if you can see, the fonts are slightly changed and margins and stuff like that. Next thing to do is to create boilerplate back in our app.js. Well, we need to create another folder, partials, right? Okay. Going to import React, and we will import outlet from React router because we will want to use this boilerplate in some of our routes, but for example not on our landing page. Okay. So we will return div that is going to be the container, so the class name would be dflex. Flex column vh 100. Okay, just like that. And here we want as well main element. With class container and margin top 5. Okay, great. And here we are going to put our outlet. Alright. Okay, we have to export it as well. Okay, and let's use it in our app.js. Just on the bottom. Okay, and now we don't want to cover the landing page, but we want all the rest. So what we doing? We make another route. Element boilerplate, and we are going to wrap these 4 routes in that boilerplate like this. Save. Alright. So let's check on the application. We get some margin from the top and from the side. If we open the gym, we have the same margins. But if we go to landing page, it's not applied, okay? Next thing is to add the navbar. So let's change it for gyms here. Okay. We are going to need another file over here. Navbar GSX. Okay, let's find something in Bootstrap. Navbar. Okay. Copy. Paste just like this. Let's save it and import it to our boilerplate. Okay. We want to display it over our container. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay, because I'm on really zoomed in, it collapsed to the hamburger menu already. But yeah, it does work. Okay, if we go to one of the gyms, we still have the navbar because boilerplate is included in all of these routes. If we added a gym as well, we still have it here. Let's customize it now. Okay, navbar. Okay, sticky top we want for sure. Background dark and navbar dark. Okay, much better. We want to say YelpGym home, that would be href just to the slash. Then we want gyms, that would be slash gyms, and a new gym. Okay, and we don't want this disabled one here. Okay, gyms, new gym. Works as expected. We didn't check if collapsing is working. So hamburger. Okay. Next thing up, we are going to add a simple footer on the bottom. Again, in partials, I'm gonna make new file, footer.gsx, simple React component. It will be returning footer. Inside, we're going to have a div with class container. Okay, and here just span with class text muted. Okay, and we're gonna make a copy mark. YelpGym 2023. Okay, let's include it in our boilerplate. Okay, let's check it out. Whoops. Okay, I didn't give a class name here. So it should be footer, bg dark. the margin top auto, so it should drop all the way down to the bottom. Okay, now it's working. Let's see how it behaves on the index page. Okay. I forgot about something. I didn't make a new branch, so we are working on main in the moment. I will make it now. So git checkout b flag. A new branch will be stage 3, adding basic styles. Okay. Let's do the same for the backend. Stop the server. Git checkout b stage 3, adding basic. Alright. We need this branch on the backend B because we will make some changes in our gym model and in our seeds. So we have gym model, we are going to add image as a string as well. Changing price for number. Save it. Now let's go to the seeds. Okay. I have here URL for some gym related pictures, and we are going to add description as well. Okay, just some lorem ipsum. Let's quickly just make HTML file. Okay, and we can add price here just like this. Now I'm going to run this file. One more thing, we had this annoying bracket over here, I don't want it anymore. Okay. So that will be node seeds index.js, right? Let's check our database now. Okay, so we have with price and description now. So it's time to display it. Let's go to our show page. Okay, so far we only have title and location. Let's get the card from the bootstrap. It's too simple, we want something with image. Okay, kitchen sink. We paste it like this for now. Okay, we have to start up the server. So backend npm run dev. Okay, and frontend npm start. Sure. We have to change HTML for something that is more like JSX. So in this case, we have to do this closing slash on image. Let's see what did we get. Okay, we have to go to gyms and then, boy, what's wrong here? Sure, we don't need this style at all. Save, check again. Okay, let's customize it then. So I would wrap everything in div. That is a row. And as well, to get right margin, so column that takes 6 out of 12 grid pieces, so would be column 6 like this, and get 3 columns of offset. So another class right here. Offset 3. Okay. Inside this, I'm gonna put our card. Okay, in the image we should have access to gym.image. Save it and let's see what we get. Okay, great. Okay, so this should be our name of the gym and description right here. Gym title and here. Okay, and we can get rid of those two. Save it. Okay, great. Now we don't need the third item. Here we would display gym's location. And here the price. So $sign, I guess, and then gym.price. Okay, and maybe /modern. Okay, now maybe this location, I'm gonna make text muted. Alright, so this edit and delete we want to put probably over here. You have anchor tag. Okay, and this one it's a button. We're gonna give it a class name. Button manager. And for editing, will be card link button info. Wait, we don't want this at all. Okay, let's check it out. Maybe it should be just edit and delete. So not this gym, and just delete. Okay, perfect. We have the show page styled up in our Bootstrap card. So let's look after our index page, our main page. Instead of just li elements, we will display Bootstrap card for each of the gyms. So we are in screens, gyms. Here we are mapping over the array of gyms. So div margin bottom 3, inside that div row, inside that div column medium 4, and here we are going to display image of the gym. Source would be gym dot image, and class name image fluid. So that's column medium 4. After that we want column medium 8, so the remaining space of the grid, and here we will have the cart body. Okay, h5 with a gym title. Okay, and a paragraph with a description of the gym. I'm missing dot. Alright. And then on the bottom we want to display location as well. So how was it? Class name. We'll do card text. Same for the other paragraph. And here we'll do card title instead. Small text muted. This is not small. And here we want the location. Okay, let's check if we didn't break anything. Okay, we get in there. What we are missing is the border around and the button to view the gym. Okay, so we're missing card class right here, and that will give us the border. Alright. Under here, anchor tag or with classes button primary. Okay, and href we need to do curly braces and backticks. We're gonna make a string template literal with gym, and then $sign brackets gym dot underscore id. Okay, so that id that is being given by Mongoose. And then let's save here. Okay, let's see. Perfect. I'm going to remove this link here because now we can click on the navbar to add the new gym. So and it would be nice to have the same margin here, so all gyms can go inside your element. Okay, we got it. Next thing to do is to edit our add gym form. So we are in screens, new. So definitely a div with a row class. We can keep that one up. Column 6 again, so half of the screen, and offset. Okay, let's put the form inside now. So it's going to be text center, and in this form we're going to be building up the form with divs margin bottom free. Okay, and we want here label and input. Label, class name of form label, form control. Okay. Okay, so we just need 4 of those. We can get rid of this one and this. Alright. So first one's title, second one is location. Right. Third one is going to be an image. And the last one price. We need one more div on the bottom, but it's not going to be input, it will be text area, okay, for our description. Okay, text area. Alright. Another thing we're missing is the dollar sign on the price input. Okay, so here I'm just gonna paste what I have. So we have div, and this div have to be closed somewhere. Okay, that's what we needed. So we don't need this link, and the button would be looking better green, right? Delete anchor tag, and button we're going to wrap in div margin bottom free again. Class name, button, success. Cool. Our backend is ready to take new shape of the gym, new model of the gym, but our Axios call is not ready to do so. So I'm going to add here image, price, and description. Okay, so just in order, maybe it's not the best practice, to be honest, to just get the indexes of the fields, but we will change it in the future for React final form to manage the state of the form. And then we get the response Okay, so if response is successful, it answers with 200, then I want to navigate. Here we can just catch error. Just console don't log, instead something goes wrong. So let's edit our edit route that's even still saying YelpGym. Okay, obviously we will copy what we have. Okay, the difference will be right here we have to copy the same bit, pretty much, description, image and price. Okay, and we need to add default values to it. So default value, title or nothing. I'm going to copy that and use in the other fields. So here it will be gym location, here will be gym image, okay, gym price, and gym description. Okay, let's save it and let's see. Okay, it shouldn't say add gym, let's edit now. Edit. Okay. Yeah, so values are getting loaded. Let's try to submit it. So full of serious lifters. Okay, submit. There we go, we edited successfully. We can get rid of this all gyms as we have navbar here. That's on the show page. Looks like we are missing one margin bottom here. So that would be on the cart level over here. Okay, now it's a wrap. So did we style everything? We have index page, view, edit. Oh, something went wrong here. Cannot read properties of undefined at edit. Okay, because this should happen only if gym is already loaded. So that's around div. Will be this div. Else no. Okay, let's see now. Gyms, powerful works, edit. Okay, perfect. Okay. Looks. Oh, another error. Invalid class. Determine class and add image. Add show page. Here we go. All of this has to be class name. Alright, no more error. So we can push our changes to GitHub. Okay, I'm going to do frontend first. Stop the application. Git add everything. Git commit. With message adding basic styles. Okay, git push origin stage 3, adding basic styles. I needed to edit my SSH key in the meantime. Now it should be able to go through. Git push origin stage 3, adding basic styles. Alright, let's create PR. Okay, adding basic styles, create pull request. Merge, we are merging into main. Okay, confirm merge. Okay, that's it. Git checkout main. Okay, git pull origin main. Okay, we have everything back in. Same thing for the backend. We have to stop the server. Git add everything. Git commit. Adding the basic styles. Okay. Push origin stage 3. Adding basic. All right. Okay. Pull request to the backend. Create, merge, confirm. Okay, git checkout main. Okay, so in the backend, and now git pull origin main, and we should get image here. Okay, that's everything for today. We have added Bootstrap to our application. In the next part we will add validations and error handling. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next part of the tutorial.